Would you rather have a starfruit creature pet that delivers your packages the second you order them? One tap and boom, it's already on your doorstep. No waiting, no tracking, no porch pirates, but every package arrives wrapped in 6 layers of industrial-strength duct tape. No scissors help, no knives work. You'll be sweating, grunting, and questioning your life choices just to open your socks. Or would you rather have a watermelon creature pet that fills your fridge with perfect snacks every day? Salty, sweet, healthy, guilty. Exactly what you crave. But every time you take a snack, your fridge locks itself for 3 hours. No exceptions, no second chances. Hope you grabbed enough the first time. So, Team Instant Delivery or Team Perfect Fridge? Drop your fruit in the comments.